basically she doesn't give anyone a hard time.
Right,
I think
right.
that's Kat's one of Kat's best traits that she has.
Oh, thank you.
Si Kat very ano yan,
Gusto ko
very concerned yan. Ayaw niya nang hindi ready sa eksena pag hindi siya nakaka-toothbrush or mouthwash.
mouthwash. Sige, anong favorite color ko?
Green.
Ah,
I want anything na may coconut. Whether it's a hand sanitizer, anything na ilalagay ko, yung lotion. Gusto ko pati with coconut.
gising usually mag-snooze muna. Sobrang opposite lang sa kanya. Tapos mga gulong-gulong muna ako sa bed.
Hindi mo kung ilang allowance.
Mga 3. What do you
Based on how I know Kath right now, it's not really about how you are as a person in terms of the bad side. It's how you make that good in you resonates to other people, and that's how she is to me and to everyone around her.
Wow. Thank you. Mga 7 a.m.
7 a.m. tas may shades yan, si Kath.
May shade na. Action!
Hello!
Gano'n?
Hello! Yan, yung hello ni Kat kasi sa akin, yun yung...
Ano?
Yung hello mo. Hello!
Hello!
Laging ganun. O kaya,
Talaga?
hola!
Hola! Why? Why did you say yes?
Well, basically, I've known Kath naman din for quite some time now. I already know what she wants, how she sees her life. One thing we have in common is we're both good people with a good heart, with good intentions for other people as well. So I think dun kami nagkakasundo and at the same time sa values na meron kami sa mga buhay namin. Parang ganun.
Ganon? Ganon? Hindi na ako pretty. Ganon ba?
Oh my God, si ganyan actor. Ganun. Oh my God.
Okay.
Giddy. Okay. Mahilig kumain. Ng anything. As in, if there's something na nagkakasundo kami, it's always food. Oh, you know,
Ay! Ayoko. Talaga? Ganon?
Hindi kasi sometimes kasi si Kat
Excited?
excited when she wants to tell you something na very interesting or chika. Bright eyes and oh my God, she's very invested in it. Tapos, ganun, parang ganun. Meron ako. May kanta yan si Kat usually. Depende kung ano yung kinikrave niya ang bilig. I want my chicken. Pag narinig ko yung tonong yun,
I want my
I
chicken.
want my chicken. I'm so hungry. Gutom na siya nun. Hungry na yun. How we see life. I think yun yung isa sa mga magandang qualities ni Kat na she doesn't alam niya kung ano yung mga bagay na siseryosohin niya. Alam niya yung mga bagay na dapat light lang. Dapat ngitian lang or, just, i-lift up na lang niya sa universe.
Kunwari, take a selfie.
Usually with shades. May two faces si Kat. Parang, one. Tapos pangalawa.
Hindi, paano siya? Matandain. Even the kwentos.
I try my best most of the time.
Yeah, because you listen.
Yes.
I think we both listen.
Always.
Yeah.